In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana for project management, a platform that can greatly enhance your organizational and task management capabilities. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or coordinating a product launch, Asana offers a suite of tools to streamline your workflow and help you stay on top of your projects. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get you up and running effectively. First, head over to the official Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In to access your dashboard. For those of you who are new to Asana, click on Get Started or Try for Free to create an account and begin exploring its features. Once you're logged in, you can set up your marketing project. To do this, you'll want to start by creating a new project. Click on the Create a Project button. Here, you'll have the option to start with a blank project if you have specific tasks in mind, or you can select from a variety of templates like marketing campaign or product launch to get a head start. As you set up your project, it's important to give it a clear and descriptive title, such as Q2 Social Media Strategy. This ensures everyone involved understands the focus and scope of the project at a glance. Next, decide on the project layout that best suits your needs. Asana offers different views. The list view provides a structured task list perfect for detail-oriented projects. The board view is ideal for a Kanban-style workflow, and the calendar view is great for tracking deadlines and milestones visually. With your project framework in place, it's time to define the goals and scope. Set clear objectives for your campaign, identifying its purpose, whether that's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or generating leads. Adding key milestones can help you break down the project into manageable phases like planning, execution, launch, and review, giving your team clear stages to work through. Organizing your tasks efficiently is crucial, so create sections or stages within your project, such as research, content creation, design, publishing, and analytics. Break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable subtasks to keep everything on track. Set due dates for tasks and assign priority levels to ensure the team is clear about timelines and urgency. Don't forget to assign team members to each task, which is essential for clear delegation and accountability. Take advantage of Asana's features that enhance workflow efficiency. Set up dependencies to indicate that certain tasks need to be completed before others can begin. Use custom fields to track task progress, priority levels, or budget allocations, tailored to your project's needs. Automations can save time on repetitive tasks, such as moving tasks to the next stage upon completion. Finally, make use of Asana forms for content requests or approvals, simplifying information gathering and decision-making processes. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your projects in Asana with ease, increasing efficiency and collaboration across your team. Happy project managing.